How to use the fixed Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. First, locate the OBD2 port. Sit in the driver's seat, look under the dashboard near the steering wheel, and then find the 16-pin OBD2 port. Most cars made after 1996 have one. Step 2. Plug in the fixed scanner. Insert the fixed sensor into the OBD2 port, make sure it's fully seated, and leave it plugged in. The scanner receives power from the vehicle. Step 3. Install the FIXD app. Download the FIXD app on your phone, create an account or sign in, and then enable Bluetooth. Step 4. Pair the scanner. Turn the vehicle to the on position, the engine can be off, then open the FIXD app and follow the prompts to connect the sensor. Enter the sensor code if requested. Step 5. Scan for problems. Tap Scan Vehicle, wait for the scan to finish, and then review any fault codes found. The app translates many codes into plain English explanations. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.